I just stay on my bed every day. I keep my eyes looking low.
Tábà ti jókòó àwọn àna yín náà bá ṣe máa ṣe ní ohun gbogbo pápápá. Mo lérò pé mọ̀ ṣá pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ń tá ṣe lónìí. So we'll need to do a lot of it in English and I know God will be glorified.
Falala, falala, make a de falala, falala. Blessings on blessings on.
This is Rika. I'm one of the sisters of the brides. Congratulations, Tahji and Rafi. We love you so much, and many, many, many happy years to you both.
Man, I've been living too fast. Make a de chill and relax. Life has been good to me. I do not take this with levity. Nothing is new to me.
When I say in the name of the Father, you put your hands up. When I say of the Son, everybody you go halfway. When I say of the Holy Spirit, very carefully you're going to prostrate.
All that I seek is in front of me. I just stay on my grind every day. I keep my eyes looking up. I should see, I give the glory to God.
We hope that this proposal meets you well in good health too. It is our hope and prayer to seek your permission to formalize the love between our beloved and handsome son, Tahji, Rashad Dixon, and your precious beautiful daughter, Rafiat.
I give the glory to God. I should see, I give the glory to God.
Love is a sweet thing. Love is not limited by anything. It's not limited by language or color. Love is not limited by distance. Love is not limited by profession. Love is a sweet thing because God is love.
Every day I'm still working. Send me my money, pay me my money. Anything that's come back on me. 2024, I pray to God, make I no follow. Be motion love, be motion ball. Oluwa show me. Don't know tomorrow. Save me from sorrow.
At this point in time, we're about to welcome the reason why we are all here tonight. Can we all rise up on our feet and to welcome this beautiful couple?
Thank you for being an amazing second mom to my daughter. We love you. You know that the love is always real. Our mom did a thing with the three of us, and you're the best sister that I can ever wish for.
Are you Jonesy? Are you Jonesy? Only basic. Go to meje. I chop a car where my mind no day. As long as it for my belly, me I'm